Is that a good new bed for a dog? Yeah? Is that good for Aria? You're such a pretty girl. Who's a pretty dog? Yes, you're a pretty dog. In retrospect, I may have wanted to get the slightly larger one. For context, my dog is about 35 pounds. She's tall for a Springer, but this medium-sized bed should fit her, but it is just a little bit on the small side. Who's a good girl? Who's a good dog? Ignore that bird. Zoe. Yeah, it's just a little small for her. It's kind of a bummer.
This was a hit right out of the package. She wouldn't even let me get it set up.